Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. This storage cabinet ships in one large box. Here are the two back panels of the cabinet. Here's the cabinet top. Here are the cabinet shelves. 3 of them are fixed, while 1 of them is adjustable. And just FYI, the part numbers can be found on the rough edges of the panels. Here are the 2 drawer backs. Here are the 2 drawer bottoms. Here are the 2 drawer fronts. Here is the right door. Here are the 4 drawer sides. Here is the left door. Here is the left end side panel. And here is the right end side panel. Here's the cabinet bottom. Here are the 2 top rails and bottom rail. And here is the instruction manual that everyone loves to read. Yeah, right. Here is the box of hardware that we will unbox in just a second. Here is the middle upright panel. Here are the pre-organized bags of hardware. Here are the cabinet door hinges. Here's the metal clothing rod if you choose to hang clothes inside the cabinet.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this armoire that I just assembled, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this thing is actually pretty functional. So it is an armoire, but can it also be a kitchen pantry storage unit? So you can really do a lot with it. It does need to be mounted to the wall, because once you assemble it and you open the front, there's potential for it to kind of tip over. So I use my own brackets right there, one here, one here. But the set that they send is right here. This could work, but I just like the other one better. So let's look inside. So on the left side here, we have this storage cubby up top, and then underneath you can see the clothing rod right there. You can obviously take that out if you don't want to use it, right? But then you can also keep it in if you want to store clothes and stuff like that inside. So it's pretty spacious, as you can see here. And then if we go to the right side, you see that there's 3 more cubby sort of storage areas right there. And then down below, you have 2 storage drawers. Check it out. You can see my hand in here. It's actually pretty spacious, right? And the same thing goes for the second one. So again, like I said, my initial reaction is that this thing is actually pretty functional. You can use it in multiple rooms. It's got a nice color to it, classy looking, safe because it comes with mounts for the top. I actually like it a lot, and I was able to get the doors nice and flush because there are ways to adjust the doors, right? So these screws right here, this one right here, adjust the door to go left or right. These 2 screws right here, and the one at the top adjust the door to go up and down. And this screw right here will loosen the screw and allows the door to go in and back. And so I was able to get this pretty flush. But other than that, I really like the accents. Like, for example, the handles right here, you can see that sort of, I don't know if it's like nickel or something like that. I'm not really good with the metals. But they're not plastic or anything like that, or anything cheap. Now, as for the assembly, you can see that there are words as well as illustrations to help guide you through the assembly. And for the parts where it may get a little bit confusing, you can see that they actually have some blown up illustrations, so you can see exactly where you should be putting the screws. Like, for example, this is for the drawer rails. This example here shows you the actual part that needs to go in. So I think they do a pretty good job with the instruction manual. The assembly took me about 2 hours to complete, but you can expect the average person to take anywhere between maybe 3 and 4 hours to assemble, depending on the skills you have and the tools that you use. So altogether, the assembly isn't too bad. I really like this armoire. I definitely advise you to check it out. Definitely has my stamp of approval. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next review.